Hi guys, Patrick here from Western Nerds. I want to welcome you to day one of Corfu Sidari. It's currently nearly 11 o'clock in the morning. We had a pretty bad storm last night. We generally don't know if it's ended up knocking the electric off. We can't figure that out at the minute. So we're going to go down, sort out the room tax, everything like that, and then pretty much get ready to go and get some breakfast. We'll let you know where we go and show you what we get for the price, let you know how much it comes up to altogether, and yeah, and then go to the supermarket, get a few essentials, let you know the price of that. Then you'll get a room tour, and then yeah, then we'll decide where we're going for an evening tonight. Gonna try and keep it short and sweet today, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. So I'll catch up with you later. Bye.
Oh, hey ho, you laugh back.
So back in the room, breakfast came up for two people, like €18 and 19 cents. Basically, I didn't realise you usually get a drink with a lot of the breakfasts, so kind of think it was nice for the price. Originally $5.80 or whatever it was. It's okay, but I won't be going back there. So went to the shop, got some essentials, aka Patrick Smith was, and some other bits. The bread, we got like a little loaf of bread, and I think that was quite cheap, £1.40. And then we got some ham, which was, I don't know, I really don't understand Greek. So we'll say for like 9 beers, a bottle of pop, loaf of bread. What else did we get? 2 little packs of butter. Did I say the pack of ham? Came up to £13 or €13.16, which is probably a UK shop. The ham that I originally wanted, I couldn't find, and in case I get snackish later, I just wanted a packet of cheap ham, so we got a decent packet of ham, I reckon it'll be. I think that was actually 90 cents. That was 90 cents. Obviously with the clip before, and that's all I was showing in the restaurant, and you might have seen the McDonald's sign. That's a hidden gem if you've been coming to Sidari for quite a few years, probably over 10 years ago it was, that used to be a McDonald's, so I've added that in as a little Easter egg. So the plan is now, chill out for an hour, probably do the room tour video, and then try and hopefully get the first episode uploaded later when we go for a meal. And yeah, see how it goes. So I'll be back. Bye. Yeah, I'm very messy. This is the room tour, Palm Grove. Oh, shit everywhere, Cupboard, wardrobe space, but obviously we will probably set that up now at a later date. The bad one, obviously that leads onto the actual balcony. And the bathroom. So the thing about these showers, they're dangerous, like literally full on dangerous. Window. Hey. If you've been following me for a while, you've known I've stopped in one of those huts for like my very first YouTube Corfu video. Boss, sponsor me. So I think that is it. Wrestling for Nerds fans will fucking definitely know that was the start of the series. Thank you very much. Says in the vlog. That was amazing. That burger with the chili con carne. Is there a cat having a shit in the corner? No, that's the first. And my mum would know that joke because every time I came here, there's a cat always having a shit in that thing. So yeah. I generally don't know what the plan is now. Probably go and play a bit of Guitar Hero, which I can't film because of music rights and everything on YouTube. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Guitar Hero time. If you know, you know. Like honestly, if you know, you know. Should I go with the old punch bag? No. I lost it, Guitar Hero. I've lost the record, guys. So, go out there and smash it, honestly. He's back. Paddy's got a pink hat. Yes, guys, I got a pink hat. Today's gone well. It's a bit lazy, you know how it is. Enjoyed it, fairly good. Yeah, I'm going to leave it at that, really, and we'll catch up with you very soon. So, I've been Patrick, this has been Wrestling Nerds, and I'm going to say bye!